When renovating an industrial warehouse, every moment counts. Moving, relocating production lines, changing shelving. You need flooring that can withstand this transformation. BECOSAN is your strategic partner. We adapt to your project. To do this, we have 2 phases for each renovation project. First, surface preparation. A complete range of services to solve any flooring problem. Secondly, the BECOSAN treatment. Our patented system designed specifically to treat concrete floors, to improve their durability, appearance, and wear resistance. We work throughout Europe in all sectors. Our team coordinates each phase so that your refurbishment runs smoothly. Please do not hesitate to contact us for friendly, personalized, and professional service. We will be delighted to assist you.